Do you want a peanut, honey? Coming down? Anybody? So many kids here. Listen, that little woodpecker's here. So I'm looking for it. That's a grackle. Bow-tailed grackle. But the baby, what I'm calling it, it's a juvenile woodpecker here. Very, very juvenile. There he is. We're going to watch him. Oh, there's two. God, where is this camera pointing? Son of a bitchy camera. Okay, there's two up there. Hear that little noise? There they are. Two of them together. It's too bad they're way up there and I don't have the zoom. I mean, I got the zoom on the... It's so nice having the woodpeckers around. I love it. Listen, guys, I'm not going to strain to try to see them up there because we can't see them. So I'm going to wait until they come down, so I'll pause. I'm patiently going to sit here until they come down with my camera. So we'll see what happens. You hear that woodpecker? Where the hell is he? How come I'm not seeing him? I can't see him in the camera, guys. I'm trying like hell to find him. There he is. It's a juvenile woodpecker, guys. Close up. You can't beat that. There's a little peanut butter up there, if you see it. Guys and gals, I'm standing 5 feet from that thing. I hope I didn't scare it. I'm going to stay here because there's several of them around. Look, there's one over there that's even smaller. An even smaller one. See it? That's probably the one I saw the other day. God, I'm shaking like a leaf. See that other one just zoomed by? There's got to be 3, maybe 4. It's so cool getting them in here. I found the right feed. If y'all guys want to attract woodpeckers to your yard, it's a fruit and nut feed. I'll give you the real name sometime, but it really draws the woodpeckers in because there's stuff in there they love. There's gray striped sunflower seeds they love, and they hide them in the bark. I'm going to be quiet and sit for a while. I'm going to pause until they come back down here. I like them down here. Up there we don't get to see much.